back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to show you a summer makeup look that you can use if you are planning to go to a party or attend a summer party. Alam niyo naman po na it's already March here in the Philippines, so talagang opening na po ito ng summer season natin. And it's really getting hot outside na talaga. So actually, while I'm filming this, I am really sweating. Like talagang makikita nyo, medyo nagsusweat off na yung face ko. It's kasi hindi pa naka-on yung aircon ko at hindi naka-on din yung fan ko. Kasi nga, it will be parang maingay siya sa recording. While doing this video, I'll be just doing a voiceover para hindi masyadong maingay. So without further ado, let's proceed to the video.
As you may notice, I already did my face and my brow, so let's proceed to the eyeshadow.
Using a clean shadow brush, I will take this yellow color from the Morphe 35A palette and use this as my transition color.
Using the same palette, I will use this orange shadow and apply this all over my lid. I will only be using my Morphe 35A palette for this tutorial. And now let's do some blending using another clean brush. Using a small detail brush, I will take that yellow color again and I will apply this all over my lower lid area. Taking again that brush that we used for the orange shadow, let's take again that shade and apply that on the outer lower lid area. And that was it for the eyeshadows. Using the SanSan waterproof eyeliner, let's create a dramatic cat eye. And now let's highlight our brow bone area using this pearlescent shade from the same palette. Let us also add some highlight in our tear duct area. Using the SanSan Long Lash Mascara, let's prep our lashes as well. We are now done with my first eye. Now let me finish my other eye as well.
So guys, this is my completed eye makeup look for this summer-inspired makeup tutorial. So as you can see, I have combined here yellows and orange eyeshadows, basically the colors of summer. So now let me continue on with my face with contour and some final retouches.
Using this nose contouring kit from Daiso, I will use this to contour my nose and my cheek area. I will be using a small detail brush to contour my nose. Now I am using a blending brush to buff out the harsh lines. Getting my TheBalm the Manizer Sisters, I will use this highlighting shade right here to highlight the highest points of my face. One of the secrets to achieve that glowy, wet summer look is to actually pack on a lot of highlighter. And now for my favorite part, the lips. I will be using a shiny nude lip color because this is very suitable for summer. Light pastels and nude colors are the most suitable shades for summer. I almost forgot, let's continue contouring my face using the contouring kit from Daiso. Taking again the Manizer Sisters palette, I'm going to use that pink color as my blush.
This is my completed summer-inspired makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and how I come up with this look. I know it was very easy and you can really do this in like 20 minutes max. Matatapos nyo na to. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Anyways, see you again on my next video. Bye!